Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to convert WhatsApp business account to a personal account. So first of all, you can go ahead and download the WhatsApp by just tapping WhatsApp business or WhatsApp personal account. And if you want to basically swipe from or convert from business account to a personal account, all you gotta do is add the phone number. And if you agreed and wanted to add the phone number, all of the information, all of your chats, all of your groups, all of the contacts will be switched to that business account, right? In the business account you can use, they have, they're similar to the personal WhatsApp, but the difference is they have tools for auto replies and all that, like a customer service and all that. So you will have a better experience, or you have a better marketing or a better response for your clients if you have clients on your WhatsApp business. So basically, by adding the phone number, you will switch all of your information, contacts, chats, whatever it may be, without needing to add or click backup or something like that, without any extra steps. And you'll be logged out from the WhatsApp personal account automatically. You can't have both accounts in one app or in two different apps. You can't have one account in two different apps. So once you use that phone number, you will be logged out automatically from the personal account of your WhatsApp, and now you switch to your WhatsApp business account. The same goes if you wanted to go to the WhatsApp personal account. Once you log in, they're gonna ask you to add the phone number. If that phone number was the similar one to the business account, you'll be logged out of the WhatsApp business, and basically you're gonna be able to recover the chats that you had in the business account to your personal account. So basically you don't have to do any extra steps. All of your information exists in the phone number. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.